Okay, so watch this video first.
यार, कल मैंने मम्मी से बोला, मम्मी मुझे वीडियो गेम खरीदना है। मम्मी बोली, बेटा पहले पढ़ाई करो फिर गेम खेलना। मैंने सोचा ये तो बिल्कुल गेम का लेवल अप जैसा है। पढ़ाई करना मतलब बॉस फाइट और मम्मी का कहना मतलब
Now watch this one.
मम्मी मुझे वीडियो गेम खरीदना है। मम्मी बोली, बेटा पहले पढ़ाई करो फिर गेम खेलना। मैंने सोचा ये तो बिल्कुल गेम का लेवल अप जैसा है। पढ़ाई करना मतलब बॉस फाइट।
Which one do you like best? I know it's a personal opinion. Some people like 2D animations, some people like Pixar-style animations. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create both of them. The first one can be created absolutely for free, and for the Pixar-style animation, I spent $1. So let's dive in. For the first video, it's pretty easy. You need an app called Adobe Express. It is also available on mobile phones. So I'm using it on my computer. You can open new.express.adobe.com or just Google Adobe Express and click the first link, sign up, log in, and you will see something like animate your voice. This is the free version of Adobe Express. This is my character, but you can select from a lot of other characters available in this application. Sadly, you cannot upload your own character, but there are a bunch of them. Select which one is suitable for you. Also, you can select the background of the image. My suggestion would be to select a transparent background or set a green color so that you can key it out in your editing software and add any background for consistency purposes. You can create backgrounds using any other AI tool like ChatGPT or Grok AI to fit your scenario. Now, when you select the character, you have the option to record your voice. You can upload any file that you want to use for dialogues. If you're creating yourself, you have got your own dialogues or own meme that you want to animate on, you can go ahead and do that. You can record yourself. But if you don't have any of your audio, you can create it from scratch. Even if you don't have any idea what to create, you can take help of ChatGPT or Grok AI. Go to Grok AI or ChatGPT and ask it to give you a short script for anything. My video was about a boy ranting about his mom, how his mom is so restrictive, not letting him watch TV and stuff like that. So you can ask ChatGPT to create the script, and it is amazing at that. You can create a short script, and then either you can record it yourself or you can take help of text-to-speech applications to create audio for that. Now, there are a lot of tools available that will let you do that, but my favorite is 11 Labs because it is amazing at voice synthesis. The voice are so realistic. So you have to log in. If you don't have an account, it's free to sign up. The good thing is that the free version also gives you some free conversions. Like you can create up to 10 minutes of high quality text to speech. So you can sign up, and on the free version, you can copy your script from ChatGPT and go to 11 Labs, go to the application area, and then click on text to speech. Enter your speech over here. Select the voices from a list of other voices on the right hand side, and then click on generate audio. Once you generate the audio, you can come back to Adobe Express, select the audio file that you just generated from 11 Labs and wait for a few seconds. It will give you a perfectly lip-synced animation which you can download and then upload on your social media channel. There are a lot of use cases for creating animated videos. Maybe you are a content creator and you want to use it creatively, or if you are a teacher, there are a lot of use cases which you can utilize using this free tool. Now, coming to the Pixar style animated video, it is a little bit tricky because there are no Pixar style characters available. My suggestion would be to use Grok AI, also ChatGPT, but ChatGPT has got some limitations after a lot of people started using it for converting their photos into Ghibli style images. So ChatGPT has got some limitations, but Grok is still free and you can create a lot of images. The images are also very nice. The output is amazing. In fact, I use Grok more than ChatGPT for creating images. In fact, this one I created in the Grok AI. So it gave me 4 versions and the prompt was very easy. I asked it to create an image of a 10-year-old boy which is happy, cute and naughty and has got a t-shirt which has written Chintu over it. So it gave me perfect 4 images and I selected one of them. Now, once you have generated the Pixar style image, save it on your computer and go to this amazing website called nim.video. The reason I'm calling it amazing is because it will let you try their services for just $1. You can do it for free also, but you don't get enough credits to use it enough. So you can pay $1. Normally, when you open the website, you will get the offer that pay $1 and get 400 credits. It takes about 30 to 40 credits to create a video from image. So you can create about 5 to 10 videos depending on what type of video you want and what's the length of the video is going to be. Ideally, there are 2 options, 5-second video or 10-second video. If you don't get the option of $1, they are also running promotional offers where they are offering 50% off for the next 2 months. So if you go for this offer, you can go for the pro version of their plan, which will cost you only $12.5 for 4,000 credits. 4,000 credits are quite sufficient for creating 40 to 50 videos. So in rupees 1,000, you will be able to create 40 to 50 videos, which is crazy. It has a lot of other features as well, such as you can create images from text, you can create videos from images, and you can even create audio from text. It is an all-in-one tool, but we have used Grok AI to create images because we don't want to use our credits. We want to use our credits for creating video from image, which we got it for free from Grok AI. Once you subscribe and get the $1 plan, you will get 400 credits and go to create. When you are on the create page, you will find different options such as text to image, image to video, describe, text to video, and in all tools, you will get this option of lip sync, which is actually making an image sync lips on an audio. Quite similar to which we did in the Adobe Express. We uploaded the audio and it automatically synced the character with that audio. So we are doing exactly that, but to the Pixar image, which I got from the Grok AI. Upload your image over here and then upload the audio. Click on generate. Wait for a few minutes and you will get results which looks something like this.
मम्मी, मुझे वीडियो गेम खरीदना है.
You already heard it, how amazing it is, and the fact that you can create 50 such videos in just 1,000 rupees is crazy. If you are running a YouTube channel for kids or anyone, you can create videos like this, which are funny videos, which can get a lot of views. And Nim Video not only lets you do this, it has a lot of other use cases as well, such as in 400 credits, I was able to create Donald Trump selling kebab paratha in a street in Lucknow. He's running a stall and he looks too realistic. You can add music and do a bit of slow-mo and you can spice up your social media game. Their explore page will give you enough ideas to play with this AI tool, which is amazing. I will put the link in the description from where you can sign up for this and get this offer. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and let me know what type of videos you want. Tell me in the comment section. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.